Good afternoon. Welcome to Greensboro, North Carolina, home of Carolina Aircraft. I'm William Bird, and today we're here to look at a beautiful 1959 Bonanza K35 that has been updated and is in outstanding condition. Let's take a look at November 6097 Echo. 6097 Echo has only about 5,610 hours on it total time since new. The engine has about 1,350 hours on it since major overhaul by Aircraft Engines and Accessories Company. Has about 500 hours on it since top overhaul, and this particular engine has been upgraded with gammy fuel injectors. Matter of fact, all the compressions at the last annual were in the mid to high 70s. Now, this K model Bonanza was one of the first models to come out with the fuel injected engine. This IO470C 250 horsepower engine is a very economical and fuel efficient aircraft engine to operate. You can expect to burn about 11 to 13 gallons per hour in cruise, and you'll see speeds close to 200 miles per hour in cruise. 6097 Echo has been upgraded with the one-piece sloped windshield. This K35 model Bonanza has the long-range fuel tanks, giving you a fuel capacity of 63 gallons usable. Now that will give you a range of well over 800 miles. It's about 4 hours of endurance with reserves. The paint on 6097 Echo is in outstanding condition. It's a beautiful white overall with red and blue stripes. And I would rate the paint a good solid 8 on a scale of 1 to 10. 6097 Echo has the Beechcraft tail modification collar. As you can see, the tail is in very good condition. I don't see any corrosion, and it's in overall great condition. This K35 model Bonanza has a very nice baggage compartment. Let's take a look. Now you can fit up to 270 pounds back here as long as you keep the airplane within the CG. This model has a useful load of about 1,000 pounds. Even with full fuel, that gives you over 600 pounds of people and equipment to fit inside. The interior of 6097 Echo is in beautiful condition. Take a look at these beautiful leather seats. The interior was done in 2005 by Exclusive Aircraft Interiors, and they did the seats, sidewalls, headliner, carpet. They did it all. The sidewall is in great condition here, as well as the headliner is in beautiful condition. And it's very spacious and roomy back here. It's extremely comfortable. These seats are very, very comfortable. And as a matter of fact, you can actually recline these seats so you can really relax. It feels like a lazy boy back here. It's very comfortable. 6097 Echo has a very nice panel with a lot of excellent upgrades. Let's take a look. 6097 Echo has a very nice mounted Garmin 696 GPS. At the top we have a lot of information about the trip, including airspeed. It has a HSI, as well as your GPS altitude and some other information. And then we have our map page right here, and since we're on the field, it has pulled up a taxi diagram for the Greensboro Airport. And to the right we have our waypoint information page. It has a lot of great information about the your destination airport. Here's the map page with XM weather. You can see that there's some weather up north that it will display on your next rad page. Here's the terrain page. And you also have XM radio if you decide to subscribe to that, and your information page. Let's take a look at this excellent panel, starting with the pilot side. Here we have our Davtron clock. Below we have our digital outside air temperature. Here we have our BF Goodwrench WX950 storm scope. Here we have our true airspeed indicator. Below is our turn coordinator, and it's also our STEC 30 autopilot. Now this is a great autopilot that's incorporated in the turn coordinator. It has altitude hold. This particular model has also been upgraded with GPSS steering. Here we have our VOR or GPS number 1 indicator. Here's our attitude indicator. Those are STEC DG. And our number 2 nav indicator. Here's our altimeter, a vertical speed indicator. And the owner elected to install the JPI EDM 700 digital engine monitor. This will show you CHTs and EGTs on all 6 of your cylinders, as well as oil temperature. Here we have our manifold pressure and our fuel flow gauge. And here's our tachometer. Let's take a look at this beautiful center panel on 6097 Echo. Now this K model Bonanza has the piano style switches. And here in the center we have our engine instruments. Here's our main fuel tank. We have our oil temperature, amps, auxiliary fuel, cylinder head temperature, and oil pressure. Let's take a look at the avionics stack on this K35 Bonanza. Here at the top we have a PS Engineering PMA 7000B audio panel with 3-light marker beacon. Below we have our Garmin 430W WAS enabled Navcom GPS. And below that we have our KX155 Navcom and our Narco AT150 TSO transponder. 6097 Echo features rose and sun visors. The condition of the glass is beautiful, it's very clear. And this K model features super soundproofing. If you want a great buy on a beautiful, well-equipped K35 model Bonanza that's had excellent maintenance with complete logbooks, this K35 Bonanza 6097 Echo has been upgraded with the STEC 30 autopilot system with altitude hold and GPSS steering, Garmin 430W WAS enabled Navcom GPS, graphic engine monitor, Garmin 696 GPS with XM weather, then you need to come visit us here in Greensboro, North Carolina at Carolina Aircraft. Or give us a call at 336-665-0300 or visit our website at www.carolinaaircraft.com to see this beautiful K35 model Bonanza and all of our other Bonanzas and Barons. Thanks for watching.